Yeah, I'm waiting for candidates to come and join. Some people may come because they have interview on say 6th or 7th. I don't know about 7th, 6th I know. 6th some people are having interview. I think the Chennai boy, Rajarajeshwari College, then this Sachin, then Pallavi, they all have it on 6th. So I'm just waiting for some candidates to come and join us here so that we can have discussion. In the meantime, what are the questions they have been asking in the interview that we can see? Nowadays, the interview is mainly of say sales oriented, and they go through the application of the candidate, and based on that they ask question, and they do ask questions relating to the federal internship program. What do you know about federal internship program? That is a question they are asking. Federal internship program. Sachin, what is his number? Yeah, Sachin is your interview. My interview is actually scheduled on 6th evening 4 p.m. But today they call me inform changed for anybody know what? Sachin has come. Maybe some internal reasons. Don't bother. Come and join Zoom meet. Yeah, Sachin.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. How are you?
Fine, fine. Now, this interview is more or less like our a test for which question paper is already known, because you already know what are the questions they are going to ask you, and only thing is you have to talk with confidence there. That's all. So because invariably they ask, what do you know about federal internship program? So what will be the answer? I will talk to you again for another 20 minutes afterwards separately, but now you can try this question. What do you know about federal internship program?
Yes, sir. Federal internship program is the very good initiative by the Federal Bank in collaboration with the Manipal Global Education Services. It is the program of the 24 months in which the aspirants who are aspiring for the banking jobs are going to train in the like intern uh, as an intern, and after that they maybe have the chance to as absorb as a PO in the Federal Bank itself, according to their performance in the during the internship. Meanwhile.
Super. Yeah, today your delivery was very good. Probably you are prepared seriously for this question.
Hello, sir.
बहुत अच्छा बोला है, लेकिन आपको समय ज्यादा देने से तो then you can tell about 17 days in that place and other things.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
That also,
Residential training,
yeah,
residential training.
if they give time, but otherwise, whatever points you have now told is 100% correct.
Yes.
This is the crux of the problem, and you have told that very well. Excellent. Good. Then are you willing to relocate yourself? You are now in which place?
Maharashtra, Khamgaon,
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Which part of Maharashtra?
Buldana district, sir. It's in
Acha.
Vidarbha.
Are you comfortable with posting anywhere in Maharashtra, or you want some specialized postings? Preferences
No,
do
sir.
you have?
Sir, as my job is about sales, it is not problem that I am posting in the anywhere in the Maharashtra.
Mhm. Good.
Uh,
But will you prefer posting to your own native place? What is your native place?
it is the as if we see the branches in my native place, it will be a Nagpur, sir.
Only,
It is Nagpur. Yeah,
only Nagpur. Oh,
Nagpur and Nashik.
Nasik.
Both places are about 200 and 300 kilometers away from my place.
Oh, so you are willing to go to those places and work, no problem.
No problem.
Very good, very good. Now Pushparaj has come now. Pushparaj, you are from which city?
Sir, I'm from Pune. Actually, my interview has been done. I'm just
Okay. Your
attending.
your interview has already been done. Very good.
Yes, yes, yes.
We want people like you who can share their experience.
Yes,
Please,
correct. So that's why.
please
Actually, sir,
share.
I'm the boy who has put this some questions on that sales video.
Acha, why don't you speak out on which date
Uh,
you had interview?
I have done on third. From
Which
Pune, I have
Acha,
Pune.
you
From
had it
Pune.
in Pune. Acha, what are the
Yes,
what are,
questions are quite similar and easy to me
Hmm,
as compared to others, because others are meeting when they're taking interview, they're taking for girls 30 to 25 minutes, boys 25-30 minutes.
hmm.
But regarding me, it's taking only 5 to 10 minutes.
Only 5 to
Hardly.
10. Why? What is it?
Yes, yes,
What is your
yes, yes.
degree? What is your degree?
I am mechanical engineer, sir.
Which year did you complete?
Just in August recently.
Oh, why?
And
Why they talked only for 5 minutes? Is it
uh,
that you were having lot of hesitation?
no, 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 no. I'm very comfortable with them.
Hmm,
Actually, I have mentioned the one point. They asked me to sell a loan.
hmm,
What is the procedure to sell a loan? And I
hmm,
mentioned that if I want to sell a loan, I will definitely try my contacts, first of all, my relatives and all.
hmm,
That will help me a lot.
hmm,
And they ask me, is it your relative to be bank account should be in federal bank? So
hmm,
I answered them, it is not necessary that bank account should be there. We can give them loan on CIBIL score only, or
hmm,
ITR, or last 3 months salary slip if they are salaried. If
hmm,
self employment, then other procedures. So they were impressed about that. And
hmm,
also I have mentioned that if I want to sell, I will. They told me what is difference between federal bank and other banks.
hmm.
What we can give best to get the loan to the customers. I said,
Sachin, note down these questions. Sachin, yeah.
yes, sir. I said that we can cut down processing fees. So this point, they were very impressed by that processing fees. Nobody, I think in 356 candidates which are join our Telegram group, nobody is able to tell that point, because I have searched on blogs and all, and
Hmm,
taking the advices from the processing fees. They asked me how you know that processing will be cut down. So I told them I have searched on Google and case study and all. So the term which is cut down processing fee, it's only known to the bankers only. Why did you know? So I told them. So they impressed and they told me, okay, how much you're confident in these 5 minutes? You have told me all answers. So will you give 100% if we appoint you? So I told them, yes, definitely, sir. I will give my 100%. So and sir, that's all.
that is all. Oh, it is very short interview. Very, very short interview.
Yes.
But one answer with which I am not in favor is that you said that I will canvass with my relatives and friends,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
but that is not very necessary. You know, you are a banker, you have to go out for
Hmm.
canvassing and not
Hmm.
necessarily depend on or start from your relatives. However,
Yes.
invariably it will start there only. So what you could have told is that I will use my social websites contact.
Yes, the same I have mentioned. I have not mentioned here actually.
Acha, acha. Social websites contact I will use, and also I will try to say canvas for new accounts through my own friends. It is not necessary my friend should take a loan. My friend's
Yes.
friend can be referred to me by my friend or my relatives. I will seek help of my relatives and friends to get the details of their friends who may be in need of these facilities.
Yes,
Something
sir.
like that. Doesn't matter,
Hmm.
Pushparaj, you have done well. But are you from South India? What is your mother tongue?
I am from Maharashtra only. I am from the native place where I held the interview, Pune. I am from Pune.
Acha. Oh, you're also Marathi person.
And yes, but I know a little bit of Telugu.
Telugu also. Very good, very good. So, but Only 5 minutes. Were you feeling bad immediately after
No,
coming?
no, no. It is very energetic interview. I think I am got selected, but let's see the results. Hope for the
Very,
results.
very good. Congratulations. Very good. Would you like to tell some more points for the benefit of our?
More points which I am going in Pune interview. I faced that they are not a single banking question or sales question they have asked.
Acha, no sales questions.
No, no, neither a single one, sir. Just tell me what is the procedure to sell a loan. That's only. Neither a single banking question. We are about to 15 students there waiting in the host room, and they are asking me one by one. My number is something 8th or 9th. My interview schedule on 11 a.m. but held on 2:30 a.m. actually.
2:30
So
p.m.
yes,
2:30
yes,
p.m.
and
Yeah.
yes, and everyone going in interview and coming down are sharing the experience. Only personal interview, only the question based on resume, only in Pune.
Acha, were you permitted to talk to the candidates after returning from interview
Uh,
room?
they have kept their bags in host room, so they again came to the host room to pick up bag. So they share their little experience there. That only
Oh,
okay,
excellent,
so,
excellent. That's really good. That's an advantage.
yes,
So,
yeah,
Sachin, your interview is in Nagpur,
No, sir, it's in Nashik.
Nasik. Acha, acha. ठीक है. Same procedure will be followed there also.
yes, yes.
Don't worry.
Try to get number when you're in the room, host room, because you can use mobile there, and nobody else is going to talk in host room. Everybody is looking at like a competitor. So I started conversation with each one. So that's good one. And after I'm starting conversation, everybody is like comfortable with that, and they start including. So that's a positive point happen in Pune, and I think everybody's interview in Pune has got very fluently and very excellent.
Because I mean, probably you're all students coming from city, and you were able
No,
to
no,
talk.
no, sir. Even though students come from, I'm the only one from the Pune. Uh, Remaining all are from Nasik, Aurangabad, Chandrapur, Ahmednagar. So it's a very, they are just coming. So I'm the only one from Pune.
Acha, acha. Good. Were they talking in Marathi also?
No, no. 95% my interview is gone in English. Just last one, just that one sir named Nikhil. They told me, क्या आपका 100% दे पाएंगे जितना आप यहाँ पे confident है interview में. So I said yes, sir. Definitely, I will give my 100%.
How do you know the name of interviewers?
They actually there are two interviewers. So one told me Nikhil has already taking all the questions. So just they are
Oh, that is how you remembered. Or are they
yes.
putting their names before themselves?
No, 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 no.
No. अपना सामने तो अपना नाम नहीं लगाता है ना?
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं। और उन्होंने मतलब एक दूसरे के सामने अपना मतलब नाम डिस्क्लोज नहीं किया, बट उन्होंने एक गलती से उनका नाम ले लिया। निखिल ने तो सभी कवर कर लिया है, अभी मैं कुछ कवर करना चाहता हूँ। सो आई रिमेम्बर दैट।
Very good. Thank you, Pushparaj. What is your
Yes.
father? What is your father?
My father is a watchman, sir.
Oh God. Mother?
Mother is a housewife, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one younger brother, sir.
What is he doing?
He is in third year computer engineering.
Acha. When did you complete degree? 2000?
21, just in
Just
August.
now. Oh, good.
Yes.
Was there not any campus recruitment?
No, sir. I'm from private college, so due to COVID, there is no. And we have campus recruitment. They all are IT sectors, and I don't want to join IT sectors.
Good. Very good. Thank you.
Yes.
We'll go
Yes.
to Galaxy. Galaxy, you are from which place? Galaxy F62. Can you talk now? Your sound is working.
Yeah, yes, sir. Can you
Acha,
hear me?
Yeah. What is your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Sejal.
Sejal. Your interview is over or to be conducted?
No, sir. It's on 6th.
Oh, it's on 6th. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Then you have to answer us this question. Why do you want to join Federal Bank?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I joined today because I want to ask you if they ask like question, if why you want to join Federal Bank, you can join other bank also because other banks are much more better than Federal.
Who
So
said?
yeah, I want to know.
No, who said so? You should not have such a feeling. You should have a feeling Federal Bank is the best.
So how should we answer this question if
No,
they ask, why
actually,
don't you join other bank?
actually, there may be some differences in salary or perquisites and all that, but the reason why you want to join is that this is a place which you can crack. That is the main reason. The reason why we are all coming for Federal Bank is that here is a place that is available now vacant, and you can crack the interview, and you will be fitting into this atmosphere, and you are satisfied with what they offer. So you should never
Mm.
say other institution is best. You can say, now let us see what Sachin says about this. Sachin, can you tell me
Okay.
why do you want to join Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. According to my knowledge, the Federal Bank is one of the bank which is associated with the IBA, Indian Banking Association, among the other private banks, and they have to follow the government guidelines about the payment and the salary. And secondly, I found the path of the success in the Federal Bank from the salesman, person to a PO will be somewhat easy for me, as compared to other banks.
Good. So this is one way of answering Sejal. Sejal, what is your degree?
I completed my BCom graduation
Which year did you
in
complete?
in this year only,
This,
2021.
what is the mark you have scored?
82%.
82, such a good percentage. Oh, Baba.
Yes, sir.
If it had been a real some other bank interview, we would have asked so many questions to you. What is balance sheet, vagera, vagera. But
Yeah, right.
we studied all that, but now it is of no use. कोई बात नहीं.
Hmm.
Now आप अभी try कर लीजिए. Why do you want to join our Federal Bank?
I would like, okay, federal, because the federal bank is giving us a training first, so I think we will learn something new from it, and then after they gives us a internship where we can use our skills in practical. So I think that's the best opportunity for me now, and this is the right part to start my career. I think so.
Super,
That's why
super.
federal bank.
What is your father?
My father is government servant.
Government servant बोलने से अच्छा लगता नहीं.
Uh,
You say he is working in so and so department of Maharashtra government or central government. ऐसा कुछ बताना है. He is working in PWD. He is working in water board. Something like that you must tell, because
he
this
he's
this answer you can give for a stranger while traveling in a bus or a train,
yeah,
but not
okay.
in an interview. Interview में आप पूरा बताना है, ठीक है?
Yeah, okay, sir.
It's okay. I'm not asking you now. Doesn't matter. Now, what are your strengths, Sejal?
Yeah, my strength is I am a honest person, and I am punctual, and I am a hardworking person. Yeah, that's my strength.
Only this
And
many. Only this many points. You are 21-year-old. Don't you have
Yeah.
at least 20 good points in you? If not 20,
Yeah, I
10 good points in you. If not 10, at least 5 good points in you.
so we have to explain it, or just saying I have this. I want to ask this also.
It depends. The way they are looking at you, if they are allowing you to speak, you can talk.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
So if they ask,
Are you-
me,
are you
yeah,
a say introvert or extrovert?
it's a question.
The question is,
Okay.
are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I am ambivert. I can say that.
Ambivert.
Because
Acha, good.
yeah.
That is both,
Yeah.
both. That is both the
Yeah,
extro.
both.
Acha, good.
Yeah,
But for a salesperson, it is good to be an extrovert.
extrovert. Yeah, right.
For a salesperson, it is good to be an extrovert. You must be able to make friendship with strangers, communicate effectively, and all that. Tell me, what are your strengths?
Sir, I have to tell the more than 2-3 strength continuously, or we have to explain.
No, you can tell it in the form of a sentence. Now we will find what Sanjay has to say for this. Sanjay, can you tell me what are the strengths you would like to tell about you? Sanjay. Sanjay is yeah. Sanjay, or is the phone, or is there is the yeah Sanjay?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, Sanjay, your interview is on 6th, na?
Yes, sir, on 6th.
Which place?
Chennai, sir.
Very good. Now tell me, what are your strengths? What is your degree?
Engineering, Bachelor of Engineering.
Oh, mechanical.
Electronics and Communication.
Very good, very good. Which college?
St. Joseph's College.
Ah, you told me. I think we met yesterday. Now tell me, Sanjay, what are your strengths?
Sir, I can manage time. I am having leadership qualities.
Hmm.
I can easily mingle with others, and I have patience.
Hmm.
Um,
Hmm.
um,
Why? Why are you hesitating, Sanjay? You
Um,
must be able to speak confidently.
I am very sincere person and honest too.
Good. Okay. No, actually, I must have told this in many of the videos. You can tell I am a quick learner, in that I will learn about about banking quickly and try to communicate to others. I am good in communication. I am a team player. I am also possessing leadership style. If necessary, take up responsibilities. And also, I am very good in time management. I do not waste my time. I do not say, I plan my priorities properly and then go about 1 minute. 1 minute, hold on. You never know. That is here, Nietzsche. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I was just telling you, yeah, you can tell like this. Not that what I told is the correct form of telling it, but likewise, when you speak, you must be able to express your confidence to them. Basically, in this line, nothing else is required except your confidence and willingness to talk to others, ability to persuade others, ability to convince others. In fact, in some interviews, they have asked question, can you tell us some circumstances where you convinced others, where you influenced others? In some, not in this interview, I think it was in IBPS RRB interview, they asked one candidate, tell us about circumstances where you have changed the other person's views. So likewise, and that is a very important quality required in a salesman. A salesman has to try to influence others to accept what he is selling. I hope you understand. Sejal, आपको समझ रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sanjay, could you follow now?
Yes, sir, I can follow.
Why are you hesitating to speak? Sanjay, you must speak out frankly. Fatafat, you must try to speak out. Now, can you tell me, what do you think will be the job role you have to perform? Who will take it up? Sanjay, can you answer this now?
Yes, sir. Can you tell the question once again?
Job role. What do you think will be the job role you have to perform? Say, even during training and after training.
During training, I have to talk with the customers and I have to convince them to buy home loan, car loan, such as, and I have to learn many things like that mentioned in the notification, like business communication, say about sales awareness, that and all we have to learn.
That's all. Now, can you try, Sachin, can you try? What is your job role?
Yes, sir. According to me, the job role of
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Let continue.
According to me, my job role will consist of dealing with the potential customers in order to increase the customer base of Federal Bank. And secondly, I have to complete my online modules, which will be required for monitoring me in the meanwhile during internship periods.
Good. And yeah, you can also tell about canvassing of new accounts. Of course, you brought it simply by modules, maybe sales modules or other knowledge modules which you have to study or whatever it is, or some projects and all that. So you have to make yourself as a team, and your learning process, I think, will be online, and then afterwards you will be doing field experience. So the field experience you may be doing during out of office hours, whereas during office hours you will be studying over the internet. That's what I think. So let us see how it goes about. Yeah.
Sir, the module and the practical will be simultaneous. I think we have to complete this module during the internship period when we are working in the branch only.
Oh, good. Excellent. That's really nice. Now we will ask next question to our who can try. Sejal, are you confident of reaching sales targets? Sejal,
Yes, sir.
are you confident of reaching sales targets?
Yeah, sir, I am confident because I follow the strategy. First, I make how to complete our target, then I will follow it completely, and I will make it sure that I will complete within on time my targets.
Super. Good. Supposing you are in a circumstance which is not favorable. This was told in one interview. A person said, can you reach the target? Then he was told, if the circumstances are bad and you have not reached monthly targets, what will you do?
If suppose I am not complete my target, then I will study what I am doing wrong and what I did something which weaken my target strategies. So I will improve it, and I will do this time with more efforts and with more power. I will try this time with full confidence, and what mistake I did in previous time, I will not do it this time. So yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah.
No. Why are you not able to complete sentences? You are
I don't know.
You are struggling.
Okay.
Let us see Sanjay.
Yeah.
Sanjay, are you confident of reaching targets?
Yes, sir, I'm confident. But suppose if I'm not able to achieve the target means, I will try to contact the senior people who are already in sales and successful. I will try to contact them and I will learn things from them.
Do you think they will come and help you? Because nobody has got time to talk to you.
Yes, sir, but
No, you should not stop
yeah.
with that alone. You should try to, and I will explore other opportunities also. You should tell, I will try to contact my seniors to find out what are the mistakes or what steps I should take to correct myself so that we can achieve more targets. Or I will try to get more leads from them so that I can go and contact the very good word Sachin used was potential customers. So prospective customers का identify करना तो मुश्किल है. वो जब आप वो identify कर लिया तब आपको काम easy हो जाएगा. Then your work will be very easy, Sanjay. So you must try to identify the potential customers through various leads, various modes. Maybe you can get it in online, you can get it through friends, you can get it through relatives, something like that. So anywhere, but out of 4 or 5 people, so one person is only going to buy
Okay.
some house property. Not everybody can buy a house because Can you tell me why everybody cannot buy a house, Sanjay?
Sir, majority of the people don't want to take risk by getting loans and all.
Okay, good point.
That may be the reason.
Good point. Next. Next, quick. Now, everybody, let us all contribute whatever that comes to our mind. Sachin, tell me why people are not going to buy houses. Supposing there are.
No one want to get some liabilities on them, and they do not want to disturb their routine by taking this liability.
Acha, they don't want to become liable, or
Yes.
why they are hesitating to become liable?
Just because they have to repay the loans interested on that loans, and also it depends on the priorities of the, if they don't have, they prioritize the house as their main priority, it will be not beneficial for them.
Super. Sejal, tell me why people are not willing to buy houses.
Because they don't have much money to buy a house.
Capacity, good point. That's a good
Yeah.
point. उनका capacity नहीं है, इसी वजह से तो purchase नहीं कर
वो नहीं-
सकते. Then
Yeah.
continue.
And if they supposed to take, means they are thinking to take a loan, but still they think we have no money, so how we repay the loan, means rate of interest. So it's a big deal for them. That's why.
Out of fear also. Some people fear that they may not be able to repay effectively before the due dates
Yeah.
and all that. And the very fact of say you are having liability to others will make people feel bad. Some people, not everybody. There are some people who borrow money from every second person and they go. That is different. But some people, they don't borrow money from others because of the fear they won't be able to repay, and also because of the embarrassment they have to feel. If somebody comes at the house and then shouts, "Arey bhai, aap to loan installment nahi diya," then they feel bad about that. So that may be one of the reasons. But still, we must try to identify potential people who are capable of repaying and then reach it to them. And circumstances, if the we may have to change the strategy to achieve results. Okay. Now next question.
Sir,
Yeah.
I just want to ask, if we canvas some loan account, and it goes in after some time, it goes as a NPA. So it will be a hamper our performance, or
No. It depends on the sanctioning authority. Your role is only your.
sorry sir, not.
अच्छा, unmute कर लीजिए. Sorry, mute कर लीजिए. Please mute. Please mute. Somebody is. Please mute. Yeah. Sachin, your good question. See, just because you are canvassing loan, you will not be held responsible for the NPA, provided you have not. There has not been any ill intentions. If you know pretty well that he is not Mr. X and you are bringing him as X, if it can be proved, Sachin was aware at the time of bringing the account that the borrower's name is not X, but he is introducing him as X, and then you are a party to it. Otherwise, if the documents are all correct and you produce it properly, you will not be held liable. In my case, as manager, I have done sanctioned many loans, and I'm sure out of them 10% would have become bad NPA, and we are not held responsible in as much as we have the parties are genuine. If there is no such party, we will be held liable. Then if the documents have not been taken, we will be held liable. If we have taken documentation in a wrong way, then we will be held liable. Otherwise, we personally, people cannot be held responsible for NPA for genuine reasons. But many times what happens in banks, this is a negative aspect of it. Managers are compelled to give advance by their bosses, and in the process, sometimes the loan becomes bad. You may have pressure from the bosses. You may have pressure from the political circles. in which case when those loans are granted, and sometimes the manager themselves plays a hand along with the borrower and tries to trick on the bank also. So those circumstances, people will be held responsible, but not in as much as you canvass genuinely.
Okay.
Could you understand the question?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah. Now, next question. This is you are. Please tell me some important places to be seen or visited or to be talked about in near your place. We will start with Sanjay. Sanjay, you are from Chennai. Tell us some important points about your native place. And if this interview is over, I mean, if within another 7 minutes, it will be over. So I'll close this. Then I will come online for Sachin separately and then Sumit separately, and I will talk to you. Okay, Sachin. Yeah. Sanjay, please tell me some important things about your place.
So first, Chennai is called Detroit of Asia because many automobile industries are available here, like Hyundai, Bajaj, Royal Enfield, like that. And here Marina Beach is there, which is second largest beach in the world.
Mm.
And also Vandalur Zoo is one of the oldest zoo in India, which is present in Chennai.
Mm.
And there are a lot of engineering college available in Chennai.
No, but in your case, you know, after telling about automobiles, you should tell about the IT companies.
Okay,
The contribution of IT companies. Then you should tell about the leather trade. You should tell about the leather trade that is more prevalent and nearby Chennai, and exports are being made through Chennai, and Chennai has got a port through which a lot of exports are taking place.
Okay, sir. And can we mention the international airport also?
Yeah, you can tell Chennai has got a very good connection with other cities, and roads are all well connected, and they are also connected through air and also through train and all that. Ye bhi bata sakte. This also you can tell. Okay.
Stadium, stadium, you know, cricket stadium.
State.
I think there is a cricket stadium in Chennai.
Yeah, Nehru Stadium. That is a Nehru. I mean, it has got cricket grounds and other things. And
yes, sir. M.A. Chidambaram Stadium.
No, but M.A. Chidambaram. But my point is, in job interviews, when we go and talk, we should talk about business first. The same question is asked for 5th standard student, 4th standard student, 12th standard student, and 60-year-old man. If the question is posed to a 60-year-old man, he will talk and tell there are a lot of temples in Chennai, a lot of say places to be seen for say Shiva temple, Vinayaka temple, like that he will tell. And also he will tell about museum, then other places to be seen. If you ask a young man, he will tell more about the say OMR or ECR road, and also this Marina Beach, etc. So depending on your age and depending on the purpose for which you are answering, you have to modify your answers. We will take what Sejal has to say about our place. Sejal, आपका place का बारे में बताइए. Sejal, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Bhusawal, sir, and Bhusawal is the biggest taluka in Jalgaon district, and it is very famous for bananas. And the railway yard in Bhusawal is the largest yard all over the Asia, and it's the second largest railway yard in Asia.
Good.
And we have a Tapi River also in Bhusawal. Yeah, that's it.
So
sir.
yeah, but Chennai, we cannot talk about any rivers and all. Chennai mein to we only have floods. There is a problem. That's right.
Okay,
Now, Sachin, you tell about your place.
Yes, sir. I belong to Buldana district. It is famous for its silver market. Secondly, it is the cotton city, known for cotton city. And next, it has the geographically identified Lonar Lake. It was the lake made by the meteorite collision. It is only one lake which is in the Asia, or I don't know, but it is the only lake which is formed by the a meteorite collision. And again, it's famous for Nyanganga Wildlife Sanctuary on the Nyanganga River, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good. Then we should also know about the famous personalities of our place. At least MLA, MP, then any minister from that place. ये सब मालूम होने से बढ़िया होगा. And famous personalities from your place also, you should know. Sanjay, Sejal, and Sachin. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have one question.
Hmm.
Can I ask?
Yeah.
If the interviewer asks to us that sell a home loan to us, so we start with asking them a question, or just we start with
No,
the
no.
telling about
No, no.
home
You start telling about the loan schemes.
loan scheme.
Good
Okay.
morning, sirs. I am happy to know that you are interested in availing home loan, and our bank is the leading bank in the matter of giving home loans. And the features of our loan scheme, home loan schemes are like this, and we will try to process the proposal as early as possible and sanction you. And then after telling that, you can ask, sir, we will be requesting you to give the documents like your salary slips, and also the IT returns, and also the document for which you are the document of the property you are going to purchase, and all that. We will help you in the matter of, say, verifying the title, in the matter of valuation of the property and all. So please come to us. We will try to help you get a home loan from us quickly.
Okay, sir.
ऐसा enjoy करके आप बात करना है. You must tell like that. So this is what it is. So very good. So thank you so much. Best wishes. Another 1 minute time is there. Any time it may stop. So I will talk to Sachin, and then another boy has given name Sumita. Okay, I will talk to them. So in the meantime, you prepare by going through our Telegram page, Sejal, Sanjay. Please go through the Telegram page and find out what are the questions asked, and try to improve your expertise in communicating briefly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Best
Thank you,
wishes.
sir.
Best wish. And after interview, please send me the questions.
Yeah, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Sachin, I will come to you after 10, 20, 15 minutes after taking breakfast.
Yes, sir. Yes. No
Thank
problem.
you.